Amazon has released the new AI IDE. It calls Kiro, and this Kiro has jumps a little bit different than others because it's just like a spec-driven development. On my previous video, it says that you have to always write the PRD first. I just wanted to make PRD with a page by page, but it didn't really happen. But even the Kiro doesn't do that. Yeah, the spec-driven one, it's a little bit better than the others. The cursor and the VS Code, it's not just making a to-do, and it's like doing the specs and some of the details you have to make. And let's see what it is. Actually, I'm making some product right now because I wanted to test how Kiro works. And full start, there's some little cute ghost right here. It calls Kiro. And if you go there, there's a spec. If you are on the start of this IDE, you can press this create a new spec and you can see it right here. I write the tons of documents that I can paste, and after you pasting it, it goes to the requirements. You wrote this specs right here and it reads it and it goes to right into the requirements. So after that, it goes here. You see all the user stories and other of these like storylines, and it makes this requirements first. And after that, by this requirement, they design it. And here is like a design document that is like overview the stories of the user story that makes the document like a structure. And this architect has like database in it, information that has to be implemented to match these requirements. So these two steps, requirement and design, even though these two steps are really important if you make some product. It's not, it really looks like PRD, but it just looks like a spec they are saying about this. So the spec is just like requirement and design. And after you make some design, the new tab that has like task list here, and it makes all the tasks by step. Like I just made the tons of the documents that makes community. So this community app has to be made this one and this one and this one. So from the project and the database and authentication and the board and the post, these steps are really needed when you make some product. Because you can't start and end with like just one step. You have to do it step by step. And even if I was making this some community app, it has made like number 1 to 25, so that completely make a steps to make my app. But right now, this Kiro is like totally free and everybody is using it. The first day I was using it and it was like number 1 to number 7. It did make it really well. But after yesterday, this Kiro, the API is really dead. So it doesn't work anymore. If you want to start this task, you can just press this start task, that it will be started with this and it will end just in single task. Yeah, this is step-by-step making it. But recently I was making this app, but there's tons of errors right now. I have this errors, but this modal, it continuously saying that modal you've selected is experiencing a high volume of traffic, so you can't do it again. After I restart it, this task starts from the beginning, like from 9. It starts from the 9 from the start. And even if I can't really continue of this project, so I have to hold it right now. So if you're planning to use the Kiro, I think this will be really good to see how requirement and the design and task will be made. And implementing this concept is really good. But for the real use, I think I'm not sure I can really use it right now because all the traffics are here and this errors are coming out. So I can't really continue to number 9 to 10 and it absolutely stopped. This is just the IDE. You can just change cursor to Kiro, but I'm just working out a little bit different with this like VS Code. There's something missing right there. So I'm just finding out how it is different and just I want to use it because I like purple. I love purple. Yep, that's it for my review. And if you liked it, please thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching and see you next time.